Hi, it's Danielle Schow, your Pampered Chef Consultant, and welcome to 2022. It has been a really long time since I did a video, and so in thinking of what videos I was going to do next, I thought it's a new year, new start, so I'm going to be putting out a few videos on healthy eating with Pampered Chef, and I know that that can be really hard to do if you're on the go. When you're at home all day and you can meal prep and plan, it's a lot easier. But I have 4 kids, I'm constantly on the go, and I have found a few things that make it so easy to eat healthy on the go for me and my family. So what I'm going to show to you today are some of my favorites. There are so many things that can help you, but these are the ones I'm going to feature today. These are my number ones. They come in a 1 quart, it's the Cool and Serve bowls. They come in 1 quart and 2.5 quart. The reason why I like these so much is because they have snapping lids that won't come off, but then in here there's a removable freezer pad that I just keep in my freezer all the time, and when I want to pull it out I'll just stick it in and it will keep anything cold all day long. We go to like Lagoon a lot in the summer, we go to the pool in the summer, we're always at the lake, and in the winter we are always skiing or snowboarding, and so I just got sick of all the processed food that I'd always be taking up, like chips and french fries and cookies and everything, you know, that you just grab and go. And so once I got these, I've started to just bring fresh fruit, and it's the ongoing joke in my family, like, oh, everyone brings chips but mom brings apples. But I will tell you, by day 2 of skiing or at the pool or at the beach, you are sick of chips and you want some nice fruit. So it will keep your fruit cold all day long. And not just fruit either, you can do veggies, you can do string cheese, you can put anything you want in these, so it's not just the same old grab a bag of chips and cookies and go. So one of the tools that I really like is the Core and More, because when my kids want an apple but we're out the door and I can't handle having them have a lot of slices, you can just stick it right in. It goes right through the bottom and it literally just takes out the entire core. So it's really nice because then they can eat the whole apple in their hand. They don't have like 10 pieces, and you just open this up and the core just comes right out. So you can throw that part away. So I love the Core and More. The other one is the apple slicer, and I've featured this before, and I know you can get apple slices everywhere, but I promise you, you could not get an apple slicer like this. It will not break, and it is sharp. So it cuts apples perfectly every time, so easily. And so then I can just throw all my fruit in this Cool and Serve bowl. I can put some string cheeses in it, I can throw in some grapes, some oranges, whatever I want, and then we pack it up and we can take it to the ski lodge, we can take it to the pool, you could take it to work, you could take it anywhere. And then I'll also, a lot of times I'll put, my kids like egg salad sandwiches, so I can put like an egg salad in here, then we can just bring up bread and spread it out. So it's so convenient, and it's nice to have fresh food when you're on the go. The other thing that I want to feature is these these leak-proof glass containers. I threw out all of my Tupperware years ago. These are, I can't even tell you how many years old. Like, they're so old, and they are still working, and they're amazing. And I've gotten multiple sets of these because they come in all sizes, but I don't use Tupperware anymore. This is what we use for our leftovers. This is what I use when I want to take like a meal on the go. They're glass, for one, and they're leak-proof. So these are some I just pulled out of the fridge, but they will not leak. So there's like ham in this one, beans in this one. They seal really good. They're dishwasher safe. They're microwave safe. So they're really nice. And I have bought a cheaper version of these in the store, and I ended up throwing them all away because they did leak. The lids didn't snap on right. So these just snap on so nice. And then when you're heating them up in the microwave, these can be your cover. You can put it on over the top so it won't splash all over your microwave. So they're just super easy to take on the go. They're easy to store all your food. They stack really nicely in your cupboard, so you're not opening up the cupboards and then all these like different shaped Tupperwares are coming down on you. So I highly suggest switching out all your Tupperware for these, because you can serve in them, you can eat out of them, and you can store them. They are a game changer for sure. That's what I'm featuring today, just a few containers that will help make healthy meal prep on the go a little bit easier. But make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be coming out with a whole bunch of new videos on healthy eating and how to eat healthy on the go. If you like anything that you saw here, you can order from my link below, and don't forget to share.